This project has kindly sponsored the Fleur Community Lucky Claw collection by donating assets to the Treasury, generating a monthly prize pool for lucky holders. As with any investment, I highly recommend conducting your own due diligence prior to making any financial decisions. You can find all the relevant links to this project in the description of this video and also a link to the Lucky Claw collection. With that being said, let's jump in. Welcome back, Fleur Community. Today we're covering a project that I'm sure needs no introduction, and that is xSpectar. xSpectar is a project that's building a hyper-realistic metaverse built with Unreal Engine 5. The detail of this world is extremely impressive, and there will be many opportunities to immerse yourself in this vibrant ecosystem. Many believe that the xSpectarverse is actually just an XRP ledger project, but although it does accommodate for the XRP ledger, and their native asset is hosted on the XRP ledger, the scope is much bigger. xSpectar have ambitions to expand their community by integrating many networks in the future and are already providing infrastructure to the XRP ledger, but also for the Songbird and Flare network as a signal provider to the FTSO. If you are interested in delegating to xSpectar, I will leave a link in the description of this video. Now, the xSpectarverse is also an innovative business proposition for companies across digital real estate to sell products and ample space to advertise products and services, both within the virtual world and across their digital ecosystem. Additionally, xSpectar will help businesses facilitate their own marketplace by using their crypto-enabled e-commerce platform to increase reach and customer base, while at the same time allowing businesses to offer new types of products for an exciting new world. xSpectar is much more than just a metaverse. It's an engaging ecosystem that allows users to explore, network, socialize, and create. Users can design and build their own virtual spaces, host events, and even monetize their creations by selling them on xSpectar's native e-commerce platform. This is really powerful stuff and something that I'm very excited about. So I want to talk a little bit about the xSpectar token. Within the xSpectarverse, there needs to be an asset that brings value to holders, and that is the xSpectar token. This asset will fuel the in-game economy, allowing citizens to earn and use xSpectar token while interacting with this digital world. The xSpectar token is already listed on a number of centralized exchanges and very easily bought, and also available on the XRP Ledger decentralized exchange. Now, some of you may not know this, but the xSpectar project also have their very own dedicated NFT marketplace on the XRP Ledger, which is proven actually to be one of the most liquid in the space. And from here, you can buy one of the many agents within the xSpectarverse. And they range very widely in terms of rarity, and you can sort of search through the filters as you please here on this website. Now, something else that I think is important to talk about is the xSpectarverse, and more specifically, the land parcels, because there is actually a land parcel sale going on right now. The xSpectarverse is extremely expansive, and it's divided up into plots, which allow owners to build whatever they like in their land and bring new opportunities to the metaverse and power this digital economy. As mentioned, the xSpectar land sale is currently going on, and you can still own your piece of the future. The plot sizes vary, and anyone who is interested should first consider what it is that they want to build before investing in the land. Each plot is hexagonal shaped and has a total surface area of 0.04 acres. And to get an idea of the scale, you can see exactly what each plot size will get you in comparison to real-world objects. So as you can see, xSpectar is a very ambitious project. They aim to be chain agnostic and integrate other chains such as the Flare network, XDC, and obviously they're already deployed on the XRP ledger. And the xSpectar founder, Dirk, said something that really resonated with me. And that was the fact that he sees Flare's vision of being able to connect everything being very important. And I couldn't agree more. Having a metaverse needs to be connective in many different ways, and it needs to be a thriving ecosystem And I'm really wishing the best for xSpectar in this regard, and they've actually been kind enough to sponsor the Lucky Claw project and give us a number of different assets to give away in the upcoming draws. Not only do we have the 3DS collection NFTs and 3 bronze packages for the land, we also have 3 of the xSpectar Genesis agents. And that is a very nice little package, I'm sure you will agree, and it's going to be very nice for the lucky winners that hold the Lucky Claw NFT collection. As mentioned before, if you are interested in researching a little bit more about xSpectar, you can find the links in the description, in addition to where you can find the Lucky Claw project NFTs, where you'll be able to win some of these NFTs, in addition to many other things, including a 50,000 FLR jackpot every single month. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you already have yourself an agent, please let me know which agent you have in the comments. Enjoy the rest of your day, and until next time, I'm out.
Control, we have liftoff.